This is Elizabeth Jackson with Hispanic Consumer Guide, a division of Vega Pages. In this segment, we have Francisco Vega, a marketing and advertising consultant in the Washington metro area. Welcome.
Thank you.
What is your expertise and when did you get started?
In 1985, we offered the Vega Hispanic Yellow Pages for the DC metro area. Our expertise is to reach the Hispanic market by using three advertising platforms: web, mobile, and print. VegaPages.com is our product for web and mobile platforms, and we get 3,000 visitors per day. Our print platform was a Yellow Pages we introduced as a companion to our website.
Wait, Francisco, you have a nationally award-winning directory, and you're telling me you will not do Yellow Pages anymore?
Technology has changed the way consumers shop, and to be successful, businesses need to transform and diversify from their original market intent. We have conducted many surveys to local Hispanic consumers as to how they go about making a purchase. And as a result of these findings, we're redesigning the format and changing the content of our publication.
Oh, you're changing the content.
Yes, our website and mobile platforms will remain the same as its usage continues to grow. However, we will no longer publish Yellow Pages, but an informative magazine with tips and guidance as to how to select an attorney, a chiropractor, dentist, hospital, or an insurance agency. As the digital world evolves, we will continue to be at the forefront of technology by helping our clients reach the local Hispanic market more effectively and give them a good return on their investment.
Well, you've helped hundreds of businesses tap into the Hispanic market for 20 years. And today, in the DC metro area alone, Hispanics spend over $20 billion a year. How can local businesses advertise with you?
By visiting VegaPages.com or calling us 24/7 at 703-408-1411.
Francisco, thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time. See you next segment.